Hello everyone, Grigory here, Seamargle Electro. I've had the idea for a long time to organize a drag race between two top electric motorcycle models, and finally the opportunity has come. A bit of information for those who don't know which electric motorcycles we're talking about. The first one is the Rezon Bohemia. It has an 88-volt powertrain, a claimed acceleration to 100 km per hour in 5 seconds, a range of up to 300 km, and can be charged from an electric car charging station in just 2 hours. Michelin tires, Nissan brakes, ABS, TCS, cruise control, and all that stuff. By the way, a review of the new version of this electric motorcycle will soon appear on our channel, tentatively in July. The second one is the Yadea K5, also known as the Yadea Camper. It has a powertrain of as much as 320 volts. The claimed acceleration to 100 km per hour is under 5 seconds. The range isn't very large, but fast charging from a 40 kilowatt electric car charging station allows it to recharge in just 10 to 30 minutes. And it also comes with all the premium segment perks like Michelin tires, Brembo brakes, ABS, TCS, cruise control, and everything else. I ride a Rezon Bohemia, and the Yadea K5 was provided to us for testing by Leo. He also agreed to participate in the race. For the race, we used a stretch of road at night on a lightly trafficked highway. 400 meters, the classic drag racing distance. To reduce errors in the race, we decided to start by equalizing the riders' weights. Since I weigh 82 kilograms and Leo weighs only 63, that's a difference of 19 kilograms. So I lent him my 13 kilogram weighted vest, so now the difference in the riders' weights is only 6 kilograms. We did 4 runs on the same route to get an average result. Let's watch. As a result, in the 0 to 60 acceleration, which I think is the most important for city riding, the Rezon beats the Camper. From 0 to 100, the Yadea catches up to the Rezon and even starts to overtake it, since the Yadea's 0 to 100 acceleration is livelier. But at 120 and above, the Yadea Camper pulls ahead since it has a higher top speed. Those are the raw numbers. Now here's a bit of my subjective opinion. Considering that the Rezon has an 88-volt power system, while the Camper has as much as 320 volts, and on top of that, the Rezon also has many other advantages over the Camper, I think the Rezon performed very respectably. What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments and don't forget to follow us on social media. This was Grigory with you. See you in the next videos.